How to do Wudu. Begin by saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wash your both hands up to the wrist 3 times. Rinse your mouth 3 times, swirling the water around. Rinse your nose 3 times. Using the little finger of left hand, clean your nose. Wash your face 3 times, from the hairline to the chin and from ear to ear. Wash your arms from fingertips up to the elbows 3 times. Wipe your head and start at the front of the head to the back of the head and then back to the front. Wash your ears by putting index fingers in your ears and wipe the back with thumbs. Wash your feet up to the ankles 3 times and wipe in between toes by left hand. Finish your wuzu by reciting Kalima Shahadat.